please.
You want fast action, outdoor action, real man-sized action. Well, here's action that tops them all in the combat branches of today's Army. And now, if you qualify, you can choose the action branch you want. Pick the artillery. Get in on the exciting missile and anti-missile field. Or pick the fast-moving armor. Work with the world's most up-to-date tanks. Or pick the mechanized infantry. The fast action branch for fast action outdoor guys. Whichever branch you pick, today's Army is the most mechanized freedom force ever assembled. So if you're for fast action, if you're an action kind of guy, take a long, strong look at today's Army. Pick one of the Army's 3 combat branches. The artillery, armor, or infantry. What's the next step? Into your Army recruiter's office.
You're playing hunter, spot the game, load and fire. Take your power sight and aim and cock and fire. With Johnny Eagle you can miss. You've never seen guns like this from Johnny Eagle. Now take your Army gun in hand, load and fire. With Johnny Eagle you command, you load and fire. With Johnny Eagle lots of fun. You've never seen an Army gun like Johnny Eagle. You're in the West of yesterday, load and fire. Hear Johnny Eagle's say you aim and fire. Never gunfight, forget Johnny Eagle. You get more with Johnny Eagle.
Boys, look at these real trophy wall plaques and think how swell they'll look in your room.
Because of the following CBS News special report, the program normally seen at this time will not be presented today.
For the Marines at Contian, this is what it's like.
How long you been fighting in Saigon?
It's broke out about 6-7 days ago. I've been fighting ever since then.
You've been fighting out in the field, too?
Right.
Which do you prefer?
Field.
This neighborhood is called Bancourt, or the chessboard, because of the maze of alleys and passageways. Its residents are mostly poor working people, and its slums are a refuge for Saigon's hoodlum and criminal elements.
General, how would you assess yesterday's activities and today's? What is the enemy doing? Are these major attacks or...
Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. They're the modern Stone Age factory.
Try this one, partner. Looks like real. Sounds like real.
They sure do.
Even police, Hollinger. There was a guy there with a pistol, you know, it's probably fake, but he's like pointing it at everybody. I don't know if it's real or not, you know? Okay, we'll send a call to. Thank you.
Is it real? Looks like real. Hey, it sounds like real.